Hey there, Beautyistic family. If you're a fan of lips that shine bright like a diamond, then today's product might just be your next obsession. We're talking about the LORAC LUX Diamond Lip Gloss in the stunning shade Pink Sand. This gloss promises multi-dimensional shine with a non-sticky, long-lasting finish, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The LORAC LUX Diamond Lip Gloss isn't just your average gloss. It's formulated to give you high shine without that heavy, sticky feeling that can sometimes make gloss a little uncomfortable to wear. What's unique about this gloss is its diamond-like shimmer that reflects light from every angle, giving your lips that enviable, luscious pout. The formula. This lip gloss is designed to suit a wide range of skin types, including combination skin. The formula is lightweight and smooth, providing a high shine finish without any heaviness. One of the standout ingredients is likely the blend of moisturizing agents that keep your lips soft and hydrated throughout wear. It glides on effortlessly, and the color payoff is subtle but beautiful, especially for those looking for something that's not too bold, but still adds that perfect pop of sparkle. I was eager to see if this gloss could live up to its long-lasting claim, and I have to say, it surprised me. While it's not a 24-hour product by any means, it did hold up quite well through a few cups of coffee, lunch, and talking. The best part? No need for constant reapplication, which is something I always appreciate in a gloss. In real life, I've tested this gloss a few times now, on both my own and in different light conditions, and I'm genuinely impressed. The Pink Sand shade is a warm, soft pink with enough shimmer to give your lips that polished look. It's a great everyday shade, and it pairs well with both natural and more dramatic eye looks. I also love how the non-sticky formula feels. You know how some glosses can make your hair stick to your lips on windy days? Not with this one. It stays in place, feels comfy, and doesn't have that overly thick texture. The wear time, especially for a gloss, is decent. It doesn't fade quickly, and the shine lasts longer than many other glosses I've tried. Still, it does require a little touch-up after eating or drinking, but I don't mind that as much because the reapplication is effortless. Pros: multi-dimensional shine. The diamond-like shimmer catches the light beautifully. Non-sticky, feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips. Hydrating, the formula keeps lips soft and moisturized. Good longevity. For a gloss, it stays put for a surprisingly long time. Cons: color payoff is subtle. While the shimmer is stunning, the color might not be intense enough for those who prefer a bold lip gloss. Requires touch-ups after meals. It won't survive a full meal, so be prepared to reapply. When it comes to value for money, I think LORAC has done a great job at offering a premium gloss at a fair price point. Given its formula and the luxurious feel it gives, I'd say it's well worth the investment if you're a fan of glosses that provide a high shine, comfortable wear. Now, if you're on the lookout for alternatives that might be a little more budget-friendly, there are a few drugstore glosses that come close in terms of shine and feel, like the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. However, the unique shimmer in this hard to match without stepping into a higher price range. Overall, if you're looking for a high gloss, multi-dimensional lip gloss that won't leave you feeling sticky, the LORAC LUX Diamond Lip Gloss in Pink Sand is definitely worth considering. It's the perfect gloss for everyday wear and adds a nice touch of elegance to your lip routine. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this gloss or have any favorite lip glosses, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.